Hello, Cuarto SOB. It's Megan. Hola, soy Megan, tu profe de inglés. Y bueno, como esta semana seguimos con la nieve, voy a hacer vídeos en vez de hacer clase. A lo mejor este vídeo son 10 minutos y hay que verlos. Y vamos a tener un examen la primera semana en febrero. Y vamos a hacer este juntos, que no tienes que entregar nada por la virtual, pero que ya tienes que saber el vocabulario y todo eso cuando regresamos y hacer hacer la ficha, que hacemos los edificios, ¿vale? Y si no tienes el libro en casa, hay que escucharlo aquí, ¿ok? Vale, estamos empezando Food for Thought. Este capítulo, unidad, perdón, es sobre comida. Entonces, bueno, a mí me gusta enseñar los vídeos cuando regresamos y luego hablamos un poco y ver un poco de vídeos, pero ya vamos a empezar con el vocabulario. Esto puede ser un poco difícil a veces porque es muy específico a la comida. Entonces, ya si no lo haces o no lees cosas en inglés, es más difícil. Pero bueno, empezamos. Let's get started. Okay? So we are on page, I think that says 35. And if you go to the vocabulary, it says, number 1, match the verbs with the photos. Then listen, check, and repeat. So you have, for example, bake. All right, this is what we do when we bake a cake. We put it in the oven. What are they doing? Number 2, okay, with the carrot. I'm going to tell you, we chop a carrot, okay? So what I want you to do at home is you can say, for example, a unit 3 vocabulary exercise 1, and you can say the first one was bake. Number 2, chop. Number 3, if we go back to this page, that is to fry. Okay. Number 4, this is an order. Grate. Okay. Number 6, that's a barbecue. So we are going to grill. Yeah, they're completely in order, I think. Grill. No, this one, number 6, that is burnt. So that is heat, overcook, peel, roast, season, slice, or spread. That is overcooked. Okay? So what I want you to do is look at number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and try to figure them out, okay, yourself. So like number 7, is that heat, peel, roast, season, slice, or spread? Okay? And if you don't have your book, pause the video, write down the words, and pause the video with the vocabulary, okay? All right, now we're going to go to exercise 2. So, let's see. Match the words that you hear in the photo.
Spread.
So number 2, the first one would be spread.
Roast.
Roast. Okay. That's number 2. The second one?
Grill.
Grill.
Heat.
Heat.
Peel.
Peel. And?
Grate.
All right. So you can see with the pictures, but you could label them A, B, C, D, E, F, and then match them in your book. Okay. Number 2. This says, choose the correct verbs to complete the instructions to make a homemade pizza. Then listen and check. So first one you say, peel the tomatoes and chop them or overcook them. Chop them. Then bake them in a pan or heat them in a pan. Say heat them in a pan and slice with salt and pepper or season. Season with salt and pepper. Some bread. Grill some bread or roast some bread. Then, number 6, fry or spread. So you can choose that one. Then the tomatoes on the bread and grate or season some cheese on the top. Fry in the oven or bake in the oven, but only for a few minutes. You don't want to overcook it. Okay, so figure out 6, 7, and 8. So that should be exercise 2, number 1 through 9. And next exercise, let's see what we got. I'm going to move this camera down. All right, it says choose the correct word to complete the sentence. And number 1, my favorite meal is baked potato with cheese. It's just the name. I don't know if this is actually I don't think sometimes they do filler exercises. So sorry, this is number 3. So don't do we'll do that one in class. It says choose the verbs which do not go with each food. So pepper. Do you chop, fry, or spread? Okay. You choose the verb which does not go with each food. So yeah, you don't spread pepper. We're talking pepper as the vegetable. You can chop it or you can fry it. Bread. Bake, roast, or slice. Which one can you not do? Roast. Chicken. Heat, overcook, grate. Grate chicken sounds weird. Fish. Can you peel it, grill it, season? Peel. Okay? You usually don't peel a fish. This one here says waiting, thinking. Come on. You can do it. Vamos. Hi, let's see if I click on next activity. Okay. Guess the correct answer. During the Chinese Mid-Autumn Festival, people traditionally baked mooncakes. Which ingredient is baked inside them to symbolize the moon? The moon. Chicken egg, ostrich egg, duck egg. Well, something with egg. I do not know. Duck egg. All right. This part, I don't know why it's not letting me come up. This is a word building activity. I'll give it one more go. Okay. So number 4, write down number 4 on your paper. So, now would be to exercise 4. And it says, write the adjective form of the verbs. Which adjective forms are similar to verbs? So bake, what would be that as an adjective? Baked. Chop, chopped. Fry, fried. Okay, like a fried cheese. Or we use it, this is pretty common. Grate, grated. Grill, grilled. Okay. Heat, heated. Overcooked. Peeled, peeled. These are all roast. Ooh, look at that. No difference. He roasted. That's a verb, but he roast. Roast chicken. That's what we call. Seasoned, sliced, spread. Which adjective forms are similar to verbs? Roast and spread. There's no difference. Okay? We already did that one. Match the future food solutions to the problems that they solve. Okay? Waste too much food, food will be limited in the future. Okay, so if you look at this, food will be limited in the future. Eating that stuff will be limited. We waste too much food. This one you don't have to do. That they're making their own food, and I can't see that picture very well, so I don't know what's going on. Okay, last one. Use it. This is probably something we're going to talk about. And this one again. Okay, so that's all. Hope this works. Take care. Let me turn it off.